Mercedes-Benz Vision Magnet. Mercedes-Benz has an in-depth chart. Mercedes-Benz in sales and has formally surpassed BMW. Here at Vision Magnet, we tend to continue and on concerning why Mercedes-Benz could be a winner in its phase and the automotive vehicle trade's completeness. To grant you a fast summary of the brand's sturdy points, we've narrowed our long list all the way down to a few traits that build Mercedes-Benz vehicles desirable to those of alternative high-luxury brands. Look below to visualize why drivers still opt for Mercedes-Benz over the competition. At the wheel of a Mercedes-Benz, the roadways square measure yours to explore. All Mercedes-Benz sedans, coupes, SUVs, and convertibles square measure furnished advanced engines. All of that square measure controlled by economical, noise-reducing, 7 or 9-speed automatic transmissions. For the power and handling that adapts to your driving vogue, each vehicle offers a range of standard and gratia performance options, like 4MATIC all-wheel drive, dynamic select, AIRMATIC suspension, and much more. Even the independent acknowledge the 3-pointed star. At the same time, each Mercedes-Benz is distinctive. The design and charm of the whole square measure perpetually recognizable. Tout contouring, dramatic air intakes, blazing headlights and taillights, facet mirror integrated turning signals, and a star-stamped or classic multi-bar grille instantly set a Mercedes-Benz except for the gang. The outside of each Mercedes-Benz enlivens with noticeable colors, like Jupiter Red, Diamond Silver, or Satellite Blue. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.